Today, let's make a lazy recipe: steamed Yaomak vegetables.
Steamed romaine lettuce is a no-fuss recipe. It's done in no time. Welcome to subscribe my channel and save this recipe so you may refer back when you need this recipe. Ingredients are just Yaomak vegetables. Wash and cut the romaine lettuce into sections. Romaine lettuce can be eaten raw with a crisp texture and full nutrients, but steaming softens its fibers for easier digestion, especially suitable for those with sensitive stomachs. Briefly steaming, for example 3 minutes, retains more nutrients than high-heat stir-frying, making it a healthier option. Place Yaomak vegetables on steam plate. Add 1 tablespoon oyster sauce. Add remaining Yaomak vegetables on top. Drizzle a teaspoon of sesame oil over the vegetables. Steam Yaomak vegetables for approximately 15 minutes. Done! The steamed greens are ready, and that toasted sesame oil smells incredible. Simply toss the romaine lettuce with the sauce, and it's ready to eat. Top it with fried shallots, minced garlic, or chili flakes to taste. I personally love eating it just like this, simple and light. The mild flavor lets the natural taste of the greens shine through, and it's absolutely delicious. Steamed romaine lettuce with oyster sauce and sesame oil is fragrant, light, and never greasy. Brief steaming keeps the crunch while using far less oil than stir-frying. Oyster sauce adds umami depth, while sesame oil lends aroma, simple yet flavorful. Low-fat and high-fiber, it's a win for both health and taste. Steamed romaine lettuce is low-calorie and high-fiber, perfect for weight loss diets. Its tender texture is gentle on digestion, ideal for both elderly and children. Fun fact, despite its sweet-sounding name Yaomak, it's actually a member of the lettuce family Lactuca sativa and closely related to common lettuce. 168-50%. Nutrition highlight: with 68 milligrams calcium per 100 grams, it contains about 50% more calcium than the same amount of milk. Historical tidbit: during World War II, the U.S. Navy cultivated romaine extensively to provide sailors with vitamins and prevent scurvy. Natural benefit: the white sap from its stems contains lactucarium, a natural compound with mild sedative properties. Kidney stone sufferers: its high oxalate content may aggravate stone formation. People with cold-sensitive digestion: raw consumption may cause diarrhea or cramps. Those on blood thinners, rich in vitamin K, may interfere with warfarin. Thyroid conditions: glucosinolates could interfere with iodine uptake. Allergy-prone individuals: rare cases of oral allergy syndrome reported. Now that we've explored these culinary secrets, aren't ingredients more fascinating? Food always tastes better when you know the stories behind it. That's the real secret ingredient. I've been following a meat-free vegetarian diet for half a year, but recently, on my family's advice, I decided to switch to pescatarian fish-based eating. Over the past 2 weeks, I've reintroduced seafood like fish and shrimp, only to find I've developed an unexpected sensitivity. What used to taste neutral now seems overwhelmingly fishy. Maybe I should just listen to my body and go with the flow, right? It was through my Christian family that I first learned their version of vegetarianism actually includes seafood. In Christian vegetarian practice, seafood is often classified as non-meat and permitted. Genesis distinguishes sea creatures from land animals in God's creation narrative. Pescatarian Many Christian vegetarians today adopt pescatarianism as a faith-health balance. While not adhering to Christianity, I concur with this dietary view given fish's proven nutritional density. My channel will also start sharing how I find vegetarian recipes that are suitable for vegan like me when eating out. If you are a meatless person like me, then there is no problem with putting it in your eating out diary. Vegetarianism can be divided into the following categories, and their differences are briefly summarized. Vegan, do not consume any animal products, including meat, fish, eggs, milk, honey, etc. Avoid using animal products such as leather and wool. Lacto-ovo-vegetarian, do not eat meat or fish, but eat eggs and dairy products such as milk and cheese. Lacto-vegetarian, do not eat meat, fish, eggs, but eat dairy products such as milk and sourdough. For OVO-vegetarian, do not eat meat, fish, dairy products, but eat eggs. Pescatarian, do not eat red meat or poultry but eat fish, seafood, and may also eat eggs and milk. Flexitarian, mainly vegetarian, occasionally eat a small amount of meat or fish, without strict restrictions. Religious, cultural vegetarianism such as Buddhist vegetarianism and Hindu vegetarianism may prohibit the consumption of specific meats such as beef, pork, or 5 pungent vegetables such as onions and garlic. Main difference: whether eggs, milk, fish are included, and the degree of strictness. Veganism is the strictest, and flexitarianism is the most relaxed. Try to start with 1 meat-free day. Weekly small steps create big impacts. Heal the planet. Each vegan meal slashes 50% carbon footprint and saves water. Your fork protects forests and wildlife habitats. Kindness matters. Choosing veggies means saying yes to compassion, reducing farmed animal suffering with every bite. Boost your health. Plant-based meals packed with fiber and antioxidants cut heart disease risks, leaving you energized and glowing. I share delicious recipes every day, so don't miss it. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.